Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project online news portal. And I have developed this project in Python, Django, and MySQL. The version for the Python I am using is the Python version 3, and the Django version is 2. And the for MySQL, I am using the MySQL version 5.8. So for connecting the MySQL with the Python, I am using the MySQL connector, which you will get easily from the MySQL official website. Even if you are using the some other libraries, then you need to change the driver path into the settings.py, and after that you will be able to connect with the MySQL also. Right, so there are various type of libraries available in the market for connecting Python with the MySQL. You can choose any according to your requirements. So for frontend, I am using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Also, I have used some of the jQuery library like calendar plugin, creating drop-down menus, form validations. I'm using the jQuery plugins. So this is all about a technology stack which currently I'm using for developing this project. Also, this is a web application developed in Python Django using the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the jQuery. Right, so let's start with the functionality go through. So the project title is Online News Portal, and I have developed this project in Python, Django, and MySQL, and it's a mini project which contains only admin functionality. The main concept behind for developing this project is uh, publishing the news online, and user will be able to read the news. Right. So let's start with the functionality go through. So this is the home page of the project. You can see this is a simple and slow home page. This is the about project, means about news portal. This is the all news, means all of the news which you have added into the database will be displayed here. And if you click on the image, then you will be able to see the news details. Right. So you can see this one. Right. So once you click on the image, then you will be able to see the news details. Right. Even you on clicking on the titles or image, you will be able to see the news details. Right. So this page is totally dynamic page, and it's coming from the database. Right. Even this content is also coming from the database. This is a contact us page where user will be able to submit the contact details, but I am not saving the details of this contact us page anywhere into database. Right. This is the admin login, and from here admin will be login inside the system, and he will be able to add more news. Let me log in. So this is the admin dashboard. Right. So what the admin can see and do, admin can add the news, admin can see the news details, admin can change the password. Right. Let me add the news first. So this is the add news. So admin can see that enter the title, company, city, news type, post date, about news, and the photos. Right. And in the news report, admin will be able to see all of the reports which has been published, means all of the news which has been published or added into the database. Right. Even from here, admin will be able to update the news, and after that that news report will be displayed on the news report section. Right. Means that updated news will be displayed on the news report section. Even admin can search the things from here also. Site this one. Right. So it's a real time search. You can see this is the real time search. Right. So you can filter out the records from here also. You can even delete the record, means delete the news from here. Right. So this is the news report section. One more thing I want to show you, that is a change password, from where admin will be able to update his account password, and after that he will be able to log in inside the system with this updated password. Right. So this is all of the functionality which I have developed in this project. And so this is normally a mini project developed in Python, Django, and MySQL. And the main concept behind to develop this project is publish the news online. Right. So admin will be able to add the news. Admin will be able to edit, update, and delete the news. Admin will be able to see the listing of the news. Even user will be able to see the details of the news and read the news. Right. So this is the functionality developed in this project. Okay. So the last thing I want to show you, the above administration menu. It's a totally dynamic, and if you log out from the system, then above administration menu will not be displayed. Right. If you log in inside the system, then above administration menu is displaying. So this is all about my project online news portal, and as I told you earlier, this is mini project in Python, Django, and MySQL. So if you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes, and I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.